Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got Honor 90 Lite, and let me share with you how to change the video resolution on this device. So first of all, we have to open the camera app, and to be honest, we do not have to really switch through the modes because the video options and the photo options are in the same place, so in the settings. Let's tap on them. They are in the right upper corner, and as you can see here, we've got the video settings and the video resolution. So let's tap on it, and here we've got three different options. Currently we've got 1080p option applied with the ratio 16:9, and this option is recommended by the developer. We can also set 720p option, and the only difference is in the ratio 21:9 or 16:9. All you have to do is to tap on the option. It will be immediately applied, which simply means that from now on your device will record the videos with chosen resolution. Of course, it's your choice, but I highly recommend to use this one as it is recommended. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.